सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्नगुप्तं धनं विद्या भोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्या बन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्या परा देवता विद्या राजसुपूजिता न तु धनं विद्या विहीनः पशुः। नमस्कार। अद्यतनी कक्षा सप्तनवत्युत्तरचतुश्शततमी 497th क्लास। गतकक्षायां मन्ये द्वाविंशतितमः श्लोकः पठितः। तत्सम्बन्धिनी आकांक्षा सम्बन्धी अन्वयः अपि समाप्तः। भावार्थः शेषः अस्ति। अद्य भावार्थं पठतु श्रीनिवास।
जीवहत्या विरतिः परद्रव्य
लुण्ठने संयमः
सत्यभाषणम् उचिते समये सामर्थ्यानुसारेण साहाय्यप्रदानम्।
जीवहत्या विरतिः, जीवहत्यातः विरतिः निवृत्तिः, withdrawing from the killing of, like in the previous class I told you what my Jew friend, American Jew friend told me that earlier in Old Testament thou shall not kill and change it to thou shall not murder, something like that here. Jiva Hatya, actually, so as I said, it is highly debatable because we can't live without killing some organism as such. Paradravya lunthane samyamaha. This is of course is there from the Veda. So you should not have any desire to loot the money of others. Lunthana is looting. No. Satya bhashanam. Satyam vada, we have the ordained from the Veda. Uchite samaye samarthyanu sarena, according to one's capacity at the proper time. Sahaya pradhanam. That we have also quoted from the Gita. Datavyamiti addanam diyate anupakarine deshe kale patre etc. These things have to be taken into account. Parastri kathayam
pravruttayam satyam maunam.
Satyam. Okay, you can just pass big one. Parastri kathayam prastutayam pravruttayam. When the occasion of speaking about others' women arises, you better maintain silence. A gentleman would not open his mouth in talking about others' wives. So that is the culture. We have no business to talk about any others. That is, then it goes. Lobha
prashamanam pujyeshu vinamrata sarva pranishu samana rupena daya ityayam sarva shastreshu givitaha
sarvajaninaha
mangalakaraha
margo asti. Lobha prashamanam. Lobha has no limit. Lobha has no limit. It is limitless. We already analyzed this aspect, how corruption and corrupt people in India and everywhere, more so in India we can say, they are not happy with 1 crore, 10 crores, 100 crores, 1000 crores, it goes on. So there is no check for this. So therefore, lobha prashamanam, control your greed. Pujyeshu vinamrata, that is, we have to have humility towards the respect. Elderly people, educated people, older people, the teachers, etc. Vinamrata bhava. And then sarva pranishu, atmavat sarva bhuteshu, yah pashyati sa pashyati. Saying, so one who considers the all other beings like his own self, samana rupena, with equal vision, daya, showing kindness to all the living beings like unto oneself. Iti ayam, this is sarva shastreshu, in all the shastras, vihitaha, prescribed, Sarvajaninaha, universal, applicable to all people. Mangalakaraha margaha, this is a very auspicious marga, way, path, which is mentioned and common to all the Shastra. No Shastra says that you unnecessarily kill somebody. No Shastra says that you steal somebody's money. No Shastra recommends that you speak ill of others' women. No Shastra says that you go on increasing your greed. No, they all ask you to cut down these things. No Shastra teaches you to be immodest. Every Shastra, for that matter, even Niti Shastra, what we are reading now is Niti Shastra. Etani Subhashitani Niti Shastra Antarbhavanti. So they come under Niti Shastra only, and Niti Shastra strictly prohibits this. So this is the Bhavartha Srinivas. Hindi, English is okay thing. Then we go to Nidarshana, Vyakaranamsha, Sandhi, Pranaghatan Nivrittihi.
Pranaghatat plus nivrittihi.
Anunasika Sandhi. So Ghatat, the Takara becomes Nakara here, Ghatan Nivritti. Shastreshu Anupahata Vidhihi.
Shastreshu
Anupahata Vidhihi. Yensan. Shreyasam Esha Panthaha.
Shreyasam
Esha.
Panthaha.
Actually, Shreyasam Esha, that is simple joining, Panthaha. So, Samasaha Santi, Bahava. Prana Ghatat.
Prananam Aghataha, Pranaghatah, Shashti Tatpurusha Samasah, Tasmat Pranaghatat.
So, Prananam Aghataha, Shashti Tatpurusha, Pranaghatah. So, Prana, there is a mistake here in Pranaghatat. Dirgha is not given in Samasa.
Yeah.
Tasmat Parisham Dhana. Oh, so, what is Paradhane here? Oh, it is over. Shashti Tatpurusha. Paradhana Harane.
Paresham Dhanani Paradhanani, Shashti Tatpurusha. Paradhananam
Haranam.
Paradhana Haranam, Shashti Tatpurusha again. Tasmin Paradhana
Harane. Paradhana Harana. Makuru. Dhana Jana Yavvana Garvam. No, that comes. Makuru. Dhana Jana Yavvana Garvam. There the rhyming there. Dhana Jana Yavvana. Satyavakyam. Tattvakyam cha. Visheshana. Purupad. Yuvati Jana Katha Munka Bhavaha.
Yuvati Jananam Kathaha, Yuvati Jana Kathaha, Shashti Tatpurusha. Yuvati Jana Kathasu
Kathasu.
Munka Bhavaha, Saptami Tatpurusha Samasah.
So, Yuvati Jana Kathasu. Katha means here not story but mentioning. While speaking about the young women of others, Parisham, Mukha Bhava, you maintain, be quiet, no business to talk about. Trishna Srota Vibhangaha.
Trishnayaha Shrotamsi, Trishna Shrotamsi, Shashti Tatpurusha.
Trishna
Shrotasam, Vibhangaha, Shashti Tatpurusha.
So, a break to the flow of greed. Flow is compared here like a stream. It goes on, there is no end for that. It's like a stream, running stream. We have to put a check somewhere. Sarva Bhutanukampa.
Sarveshu Bhuteshu
Anukampa.
Saptami Tatpurusha.
Anukampa nama daya. You know, Anukampa is like kampa to shake. Anukampa means you feel the same way the other person is feeling. That is what we call in English empathy. There are two words in English, sympathy and empathy. Sympathizing is it could be verbal. Verbally you sympathize with somebody, but when a person empathizes, he feels the same way the other person is feeling. That is anukampa, correctly. Empathy. Your body should vibrate, have that sensation of the other person who is in distress. That is anukampa. Sarva Shastreshu.
Sarvani cha tani shastrani, sarva shastrani,
Teshu karmadhara. Yeah. Anupahata vidhihi.
Anupahataha vidhihi yasya saha bahuvrihi sama.
So, unchecked vidhi. This is the vidhi recommended in the Shastra. Krudantaha. So many are there. Nivrittihi. Ni vritti siddhatu. Tin nivrittihi. This strilinga padam. Haranam. Hru. Hruing. That lit, you know, verbal. Haranam. Maranam, etc. Samyamah.
सम इति उपसर्ग
यम इति धातु. Samyamah. Vakyam. Vacha iti dhatu. Nyat. Vakyam. Shaktihi.
शक इति धातु.
Ktin. Shak. Swadigana. Shaknoti, shaknutah, shaknuvanti. Aham na shaknomi iti. So Shakti. Pradhanam. Pra upasarga.
Da इति धातु.
Lut. Anukampa. Anu.
उपसर्ग. कंपा अनु उपसर्ग.
Anu is upasarga.
कंपा इति धातु. अच्.
Ach, it could be ach plus top. Finally, top is there because anukampa is there.
Only
Ach top. Upa hata.
Upa iti upasarga, han iti dhatu.
Upa halanta has unnecessarily come there in the book.
Yeah.
Upa, not halanta is not required. Upa plus hana iti dhatu, hanti, ataha gnanti. This is adadi gana, second conjugation. Hananam, killing. Vidihi. Vi iti upasarga.
Dha iti dhatu. Ki.
Ki. Ki is a suffix from which you get e. Ki. There are so many pratyas like that. Vibhangaha.
Vi iti upasarga.
Bhanja iti dhatu. It could be ghai. Vibhangaha. Ghai is the suffix. Ka can be there, but in ghai also you get a. So, vinayaha.
Vi iti upasarga.
Ni iti ach. Vinayaha. So, like samyamaha, vinayaha. Then krudanta, only what krudanta? Bhava. Bhugai. Why this is separately given here? Bhava. Bhavati iti bhava. Separately given. Okay. Chandaha Srinivas Sraddhara. As I told you, this is one of the biggest one. What is the Namgnair Yanam, that is Marabha Mrabnair Yana Trayena, that means Magana, Ragana, Bhagana, Nagana, Yagana, Yanam Trayena means Yaganas 3. See, Mrab means Marabana, Mrabna. Mrabna means Magana, Ragana, Bhagana and Nagana. And Yanam Trayena. Yaganas are 3. Trayena. You can see right side. Yagana, Yagana, Yagana. And then this is how this is got 21 syllables. One of the biggest meter. And Sraddhara Trayena Trimuni Yati Yuta. Trimuni Yati Yuta. Trimuni Bihi Yati. That means Muni means how many Rishis? Saptarshi. Muni means Rishi. So Trimuni, 3 Munis. Yati Yuta. Yati is at 3 Muni means 3 sevens.
21.
After every 7th syllable you pause. Yati. That is how this Sraddhara. Trimuni Yati Yuta. This is with 3 pauses at 777. 7 3s are 21. Sraddhara Kirtita Iyam. Kirtiteyam. So this is called Sraddhara. Okay. Kosha, Srinivas. That you can show them now. Vidhi. This first one is already covered, but still I will read. Krupa came on 160 kosha. Krupayante anaya krup krupayam. So I have not given in the note. And Daya is also given there. Dayante rakshanti asmaditi. Anaya iti. Daya is dayanti rakshanti anaya iti. Protect with this. This is given to you on page 160 kosha. So you can go back and see that. De rakshane also to piti. And anukampa is also just kapi kinchit kampane. So kinchit chalane. When you are moved a little, that is called kampa. Tremble, moving, shaking. So anukampa. Anukampate anena. Anukampate anena iti anukampa. A man who feels or who is shaken by this. feeling. Therefore, it is called anukampa. That is how it is explained. Now we go to vidhi. Vidhir vidhane daivepi. So vidhihi vidhiyate anena iti. Man is ordained vidhiyate by this. Therefore, it is called fate. We call it fate, order, whatever you say. Vidadhati. It is third class. Therefore, ubhayapada vidatte. So vidhanam is same way. Vidatte. Vidatte. Atmanipad. Vidadhati is parasmaipadi. So vidhanam is just a lit form, order, rule. Vidha, lit, vidhanam. Then daivam, devaha tatra bhavam. So daivam is also fate. We say daivam iti. Daivam iti ka purushaha vadanti. Panchatantra says. Tatasya kupoyam iti. People who are not enterprising and hardworking, they say, this is the place of my grandfather, I will not leave. This is the place of my father, grandfather. So I would not move from this place. Tatasya kupoyamiti ka purushaha vadanti. This is the well of our father, grandfather, so I won't move away from this. So, Sadeshaha yatra jivyate. Mahabharata says, Sadeshaha, that is a country where livelihood is possible. So I think that has to be taken. You need not stick to a place where there is no employment, etc. So Mahabharata very beautifully puts Sadeshaha yatra jivyate, where it is possible to live, livelihood is. So that is it. Devasya atmana idam daivam purvakarma. So daivam also means your purvakarma. Your good or bad deeds that you have done in your previous life. So daivam, sometimes we say luck. Daivam is, sometimes we say luck. What is luck? Unseen, unforeseen thing that comes your way. We say, oh, you are a lucky man. Yeah. Luck is nothing but your purva karma. That is daivam. When time comes, kale phalanti yathaiva vrikshaha. That is what Bhartrihari says somewhere. Kale phalanti, these punya papa, they fructify at the right time, like the fruits come in season. You can't sow a seed now and tomorrow want a fruit out of it. No, it takes its own time. Nature has its own time. So that is what is called Devasya Atma. Deva referring to here Atma. Atmanaha idam visargalopa idam daivam. Daivam nama purva karma. Deva means Atma. Relating to that is purva karma. So Devad agatam has come from Deva also, it is. Okay, Srota, Srinivas, read.
Sravati iti srotah.
Very simple. Sravati iti srota, stream, that which moves.
Okay. Nadyati.
Nadati.
Nadati.
No, a srota, a river is called Nadi because it makes sound while flowing.
Oh.
Nada comes from that.
Okay.
Nada. Nadati iti.
What's the difference between Sravati iti and Nadati?
Well, not much. Even this flow also makes some noise. When it is big, this is a stream.
Oh.
Stream and river, there is a difference. Yeah. So river is very big. So big flow makes noise. So it is.
Swataha ambu saranam srota ityuchyate.
And it is also explained swataha on its own. Ambu saranam. Ambu jala saranam. Where the water moves naturally is called srota. Any flow, any outlet. Srota iti uchyate. That which flows on its own is called stream. So srota is that. Sarati iti srota. Further it is sarati. Because it moves, it is a srota. It flows. I am reminded of one Ravana's quotation from Ramayana. While trying to tempt Sita with his opulence, with his riches, because he is Lankeshwara. Lankadhishwara was the king. Idam te charu sanjatam yavvanam hi ativartati. Ravana says to Sita, idam, this te, your, charu, beautiful, sanjatam yavvanam, this beautiful youth of yours, ativartate, is passing out. Yadaditam, once this youth goes off, punarnaiti, it doesn't come back. Srotaha, srotasvinamiva. He says, he uses this word, srotaha, like a stream, srotas, like a river or a stream, once goes off, it never comes back. So youth is compared there by Valmiki with a river flow, with a stream. Once it passes, it never comes back. This very thing told by one so-called intellectual, I would not name him, and he said, this is my own interpretation. Life should be enjoyed. We should not. Life is like a flowing river. Don't hinder it with stop the flow by putting so many customs and inhibitions and practices. This water will become stagnated. Life will become stagnated. That is what one great intellectual said. He copied exactly from Valmiki's Ramayana. So that is Srotaha Srinivas. Srotaha Srotasvinamiva. Yadaditam punarnaiti. Okay, then over. Trishna, yeah. Tarshanam. Trish dhatu is there. To be happy. Tarshanam. Lit. Trish pipasayam, to be thirsty. And in latlakara it becomes Trishyati. Spruha finally. Spruhanam spruha. Longing. Spruhayati, etc. Spruhanam spruha. So this is how the kosha is done. We move on, Srinivas, with Abhyasa. Tatpurusha samasa vishaye avadheyam. That you have to note. Slokam smrutva likata. Yeah. If you remember. Društva na smrutva. Na društva.
प्राणाघाता निवृत्ति परधन हरणे संयम सत्यवाक्यम काले शक्तिया प्रदानम युवति जन कथा मूक भावः परेषां कृष्णा श्रोतो विभंगः गुरुषु च विनयः
सर्वभूतानुकंपा
सामान्यः
सामान्यः सर्वशास्त्रेष्वनुपहत विधिः शास्त्रेष्वनुपहत विधिः श्रेयसामेष पंथाः. Actually, this poem of Bhartruhari incorporates all the Shastric and Vedic teachings. We have quoted now. Satyam Vada is there. What is not there in this sloka? This is one of the lovely poem actually. Srinivas, second part. Yatha nirdesham slokat shabda rupani. Okay. Akaranta pullinga prathama ekavachanam. Akaranta pullinga prathama ekavachanam. Samyamaha. Prathama he wants. Mukha bhavaha. Yeah, mukha bhavaha. Yeah, Sroto Vibhangaha 3, Vinayaha 4, Samanyaha 5. If you take Esha Shabda, pronoun, Eshaha. No, not Esha is not. Dakaranta that is. Etad. It is Dakaranta. He says Akaranta. Akaranta pulling Shabda. Panta also not Akaranta. It is Nakara. So 5 are there. Repeat once.
Sroto vibhangaha vinayaha samanya.
Samanya. Iti etani pancha akaranta pullinga shabdani prathama ekavachane santi sloka trutiyamshaha slokadharena riktastana purnam. Okay. Sajjanaha kale kurvanti. Kim kurvanti? Pradana.
Shaktiya pradana.
Yeah. Sahaya pradanam kurvanti. Sahayam kurvanti. You can also. We need not put the same word. Huh? Okay. What is there in sloka? It is Shaktya Pradhanam. Sajjanaha kale Shaktya Pradhanam kurvanti. Tesham dash vinayaha bhavati. Gurushu Vinayah. Is there? So Gurushu you have to take. Tesham Gurushu Vinayah Bhavati. Trutiyam Samyamah Bhavati. Paradhana Luntane, I think. Harane, yeah. Luntane is in commentary. Yeah. Paradhana Harane Samyamah Bhavati. Paradhana Harane. Harane is correct. Next Amshaha Samichina Samichina. Okay. Sajjananam Pranaghatat Nivrittihi Bhavati. Samichinam. Te Satyavakyasya Prayogam Kurvanti. Samichinam. Tesham Sarvabhutanukampa na bhavati asatyam. Asamichinam. Shreyas Kaminam Gurushu Vinayah na bhavati. Asamichinam. Na te kavayah sukrutinah santi. Samichinam. So Prathamam Samichinam, Dvitiyam Samichinam, Chaturtham Asamichinam, Chaturtham Asamichinam, Panchamam api Samichinam. So 1, 2, 5 are okay, 4, 5 are 3, 4 are wrong. Anvaya Puranam Srinivas.
Pranaghatat
Nivrittihi
Harane Samyamah Satyavakyam Kale Shaktya Pradhanam Paresham Yuvatijana Kata Bhumuka Bhavaha Trushna Sroteshu Vibhangah Gurushu Cha Vinayah Sarvabhutanukampa Sarvashastreshu Anupahata Vidhihi Yeshah Samanyah Shreyasam
Panthaha. Shashtamshaha Vigrahavakyan. Paradhana Haranam. Paresham Dhanani.
Paresham Dhanani Paradhanani Shashti Paradhananam
Haranam.
Tasmin Paradhana.
Only this much. Trishna Srotamsi.
Trishnayaha
Srotamsi. Upahata Vidhihi. Upahataha Vidhihi.
Upahataha Vidhihi Yasya Saha.
Upahata Vidhihi. Yuvati Jana Kathaha.
Anupahataha.
Sorry. One more is there. Anupahataha. Na upahataha. This is Nai Tatpurush. Na upahataha. Anupahata. Yuvati Jana Kathaha. Yuvati Nam or Yuvati Jananam. What is it?
Yuvati Jananam Kathaha. Yuvati Jana Kathaha.
That's all. Yuvati Jananam Kathaha. Yuvati Jana Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Shreyasam Pantaha Kidrishaha.
Varnayata.
Okay, you can just read from this. Take this.
Jiva Himsayaha Nivartanam
Paradravyani Losthavat iti Nyayat
Paradhana Harane Samyamaha Manaso Nigrahaha Satya Bhashanam
Yogya Samaye
Shaktya
Pradhanam
Anu
Anya
Purushanam Yuvati Janakathasu Molam Lobha
Pravahasya
Avarodhanam Gurushu Vinayah Sakaleshu Bhuteshu Daya Yeshaha
Sarvashastreshu Alupta Niyamaha
Samanyaha Mangalanam
Margaha. Jiva Himsayaha Nivartanam, withdrawing from the killing of any sort. Paradravyani Lostavat iti Nyayat. There is a saying, Lostavat Paradravya. So you consider others' money as simply a clay, a lump of clay. Nyayat Paradhana Harane Samyamaha. One should have control, check on one's own self in taking others' money. Manaso Nigraha, control of the mind. Satya Bhashanam, these are called Yogya Samaye Shaktya Pradhanam, proper appropriate time giving according to Yatha Shakti Pradhanam. Anya Purushanam Yuvati Janakathasu परेषां युवतिजनकथासु मौनम् तत्र आचरणीयं लोभप्रवाहस्य अवरोधनं चेकिंग the flow of greed gurushu vinayah having humility discipline towards elderly people and teachers sakaleshu bhuteshu daya having pity anukampa empathy for all the living beings yeshah sarva shastreshu alupta niyama this is the unbroken niyama rule that is found in all the Shastras, which is a common rule found in the Shastras and which leads to Mangalanam Marga and is the path towards all auspiciousness, all happiness. Shreyasam iti. Shall we write or we will incorporate in next class? Notes. So that is it. Idanim saptavimshatihi slokah Srinivas patat.
Which way is this?
Vasanta Tilakam. Vasanta Tilaka, Vasanta Tilakam, both ways it is called. 8-6 Yati. 8 and 6, that is what in first Charana, Prarabhyatena Kalu, we Yati comes. 8 na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the, but breaking there is pausing. How do you read? Prarabhyatena Kalu Vigna Bhayena Nichaihi. प्रारभ्य विघ्न भियता विरमन्ति मध्याः विघ्नैः पुनः पुनरपि प्रतिहन्यमानाः. Every charana is coming well, but only we first one breaking, pausing there. प्रारब्धमुत्तम जना न परित्यजन्ति. Try.
प्रारभ्यतेन खलु विघ्नभयेन नीचैः प्रारभ्य विघ्न
विहता
विरमन्ति मध्याः विघ्नैः पुनः पुनरपि प्रतिहन्यमानाः प्रारब्धमुत्तमजनान परित्यजन्ति.
No, pausing is yati is not coming. Prarabhyatena vigna bhayena nichaihi prarabhya vigna vihata viramanti madhyaah vignaihi punaha punarapi pratihanyamanaah prarabdhamuttama na parityajanti. We can improve on that. Patacheda prarabhyate na khalu vigna bhayena nichaihi, no problem. Prarabhya vigna vihataah विरमन्ति मध्याः विघ्नैः पुनः पुनः अपि पुनः पुनरपि प्रतिहन्यमानाः प्रारब्धम् उत्तमजनाः न परित्यजन्ति. This is a wonderful poem for all types of people who are wanting to come up in life. To know, Bhartruhari tells us that there are 3 types of people. Like we have 3 types of modes of nature: Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. Here 3 types of people are, 3 types of enterprising people are described here. We can call 3 types of enterprising people: low spirited, mediocres, ordinary people, and highly spirited people. People who are very highly spirited, people who are Nicha means here not low people but low spirited people. Madhyaha are the ordinary people. Now, how do they go about achieving their targets, their goals in life? A beautiful poem for them. For any, it's a motivational poem also. We come across such people in life. So, we will see Padacheda is Padaparichaya, and meaning comes, we will talk about it. Padam prarabhyate. That is first conjugation, Atmanita. Prarabhyate, karma vachyam. This is not prarabhate, prarabhyate. Karmani prayoga is there. Karma vachyam, that is. Not started. Prarabhate means he starts or she starts. Prarabhyate is started. Na prarabhyate vigna bhayena. Right in the beginning he is talking about the low spirited people, the 3rd grade people who never start any work. Vigna bhayena. Vignaha bhavanti iti bhiya. भयेन किमपि कार्यं न प्रारभन्ते तादृशाः पुरुषाः नीचाः इति अत्र कविना वर्णिताः न अव्ययं खलु अव्ययं then to add force to न प्रारभ्यते खलु is there indeed विघ्न भयेन नपुंसक भयं शब्द is there नीचैः अकारान्त प्रारभ्य लेबन्त प्रारभ्य having started प्रारब्धम आरंभम कृत्वा इति प्रारभ्य विघ्न विहताः पुल्लिंग समस्त विरमन्ति प्रथम पुरुष वि उपसर्ग रमिति धातु या रम there is a beautiful usage in some Purana sloka full sloka I don't remember this body is Krumi's body is described first I am not getting that but Viramanti Panditaha Ramante Moodaha he shows that difference Asmin Sharire Viramanti Panditaha Ramante Moodaha one is Atmanepada this Ramadhatu is Atmanepadi actually Rama Ramu Kridayam is there, that is Atmanepadi actually. Ramate, Ramete, Ramande. But when V Upasarga joins, it becomes Parasmapada. There are so many like that. So Ramate becomes Viramati. So Ramante Moodhaha Viramanti Panditaha from this material life. So beautiful usage there. So Viramanti, recall that. Madhyaha Akaranta. Pratama Bahuvachan. You said? Madhyaha. You are jumping. Vignaihi. Tritiya Bahuvachan. Punaha Avyayam, Api Avyayam. So many avyayas are there in this. Pratihanyamanaha. Upasarga Han iti dhatu. Atmanepada. Pratihanyamanaha. Literally, pratihanyamana means being beaten, being confronted, beaten by. Prarabdham. Rabhaiti. Ktantam. Prarabdham. What is started? Uttama janaha. Na avyayam parityajanti. Parityajati, Parityajataha, Parityajanti. A simple poem. Now, Akanksha Pashava. Na prarabhyati, not started. Na prarabhyati. Kim na prarabhyati? Karyam na prarabhyati. Kaihi khalu karyam na prarabhyate. By whom indeed is the work not started?
Nijaihi kalu karyam na prarabhyate.
नीचैहि खलु कार्यं न प्रारभ्यते नीचैहि नाम अत्र अनुत्साह उत्साहरहितैः पुरुषैः कार्यं न प्रारभ्यते no work is not started by the low spirited people. One should have that spirit to do something, to learn something, spirit to learn something, spirit to do something must be there. That burning desire should be there. Desire prompts people to do works. Wonderfully said by Valmiki in Ramayana. Anirvedaha, Anirvedo hi satatam sarvartheshu pravartakaha. Nirveda means, everything is gone, I am not able to do, despondency. Nirveda is no absence of enthusiasm. Nirveda. Anirvedaha, no. So that is enthusiasm, spiritedness. Anirvedo hi satatam, always, sarva artheshu, in all matters, pravartakaha, it prompts. If you have enthusiasm with you, that enthusiasm prompts you to do the work. What a wonderful way Valmiki said this is said by Hanuman in Ramayana. Anirvedo hi satatam sarvartheshu pravartakaha pravartayati. Purusham karma kartum pravartayati. It makes the person do the job. What makes the job? What makes one to do the job is Anirveda. Karma karoti jantoho. He says karma karoti jantoho yaccha karoti saha. Yat karma jantuhu manushyaha karoti tat karma karoti Anirveda. And therefore sarvartheshu pravartakaha. It is a propeller, prompter, instigator in every aspect, in all the matters. So one should be with the spirit. One should have that spirited attitude to do something, to achieve something in life. Then he will do it. If you are nirvirya, we say, if you become nirvirya, and without any vigor and enthusiasm, then you can't achieve anything. That is what he says. Prarabhyatena vignavayena nichaihi. Nichas are those who have no spirit there to do. So Valmiki goes on to say that it is not that men, we do the work is done by our enthusiasm only. And if you go philosophical, look for a philosophical interpretation, answer there, Prakrutihi kriyamanani karmani sarvashaha. Gita says, Prakrutihi gunaihi kriyamanani karmani sarvashaha. Ahankara vimudhatma karta ahamiti manyati. So Prakriti does everything, and only the ahankara vimudhatma, he thinks karta ahamiti manyati. He thinks I am the doer. So what should basically men have is enthusiasm. Enthusiasm is the key to success. That is what we learn from the Ramayana. But that sloka which I quoted comes at a time when Hanuman was highly depressed, not finding Sita in Lanka. And he went on to the extent of committing suicide, Hanuman. There he says, Vinashe bahavo doshaha jivan prapnoti bhadrakam. Some other context I told earlier also. Vinashe bahavo doshaha. In self-termination, there are many, many problems. Jivan prapnoti bhadrakam. This is also a very good message, coming in the same area, place. He says, Jivan, while man is living, bhadrani pashyati. Jivan prapnoti bhadrakam. He gets his choice, his goal or his dream fulfilled only while living. See, what a beautiful message it is. People under the spell of depression think of terminating themselves. By dying, by committing suicide, are they going to achieve what they want to? If death can achieve something, let us all die. But death is not the solution for achievement in life. So Hanuman says, Jivan, while living, Shatrupatiyanta. Jivan prapnoti bhadrakam. Mangalam. If you want to achieve something good, you achieve only by living, not by dying. Then Hanuman is motivating himself only, self-motivation. There was no one to pat on Hanuman, oh come on Hanuman, don't do this. He motivated himself, self-motivated. And then, oh, let me, punaha, that sloka I don't remember, but I will once again undertake the search of Sita. Then he searches every nook and corner, he finds Sita. So that is how we should take, reading these epics, we can take lot of material out of it. Now Bhartrihari is a person full of enthusiasm. He talks in all the poems, spirit. So Nicha means that Srinivas, yeah. Kena karanena nichaihi karyam na prarabhyati. By what reason the low-spirited people don't start any work? Vignavayena, that's it. Vignavayena. Vignavayena. Vijnanam bhayam vignavayam. Tena vignavayena. So, because he is timid basically. covered, is low spirited. His spirit is very low. His enthusiasm is very less. He can't take up any work. That is why in our nowadays we call enterprising, entrepreneurship. You got to be an entrepreneur to start some industry. Otherwise you can't. You should be highly spirited to start something. And there should be some motivation, either self-motivation like I told you in the case of Hanuman, or external motivation by some people. Unless there is something you can't do. We'll stop here, Srinivas. Shubham Bhuya.